There you go. Are you going to get on it?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Where are you going? Where are you going? You almost got my foot. Silly girl. Where are you going? You gonna get on it? You gonna get on it? Yeah? Hop on, Pumpkin. You're funny. You're funny, you know that? You're just funny. Are you gonna get on that thing or no? Hop on it. Hop on it. Now where are you going? You're gonna... Ah! That's my foot. You got my foot. You're funny. You're so funny. Give me that look. You give me that look. What is that? Where you going now? Going the other way. Whee! Whee! You're funny. Yeah, tell me about it. Alrighty, you're trying. You're funny, Kara. There you go. You almost had it. It's easier to mount it from the side, though, not from behind. Will you mount it from behind? Oh, now where are you going? Oh, my word. You're funny. Alright, well. You know. No, we don't play with that. We don't play with that. No, 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 that's right. Kara, no, no. No, no. Alright, well, say goodbye to the camera before we knock this over.